Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Sunday, October 15th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Saudi Arabia's Future Factories Program, the Sunday Explainer. Launched last year, Saudi Arabia's Future Factories Program aims to automate 4,000 Saudi factories within 5 years, reducing reliance on low-skilled workers, increasing manufacturing efficiency, and creating Industry 4.0 jobs. According to global research firm IDC, many manufacturers in Saudi Arabia have already embraced Industry 4.0 and have embarked on digital transformation journeys. A 2019 IDC survey found that 75% of large manufacturers in the kingdom had digital transformation programs. Run by the Ministry of Industry and Mineral Resources, the Future Factories program uses the Smart Industry Readiness Index, or SIRI, which is a global measure for Industry 4.0 transformation maturity. The first phase of the program consisted of a self-assessment by factory owners using SIRI. Some 8,000 Saudi factories had completed the self-assessment by the end of 2022. The Future Factories program has two main goals. Firstly, it targets existing factories to transform them into facilities that leverage advanced technologies and meet exceptional operational standards. Secondly, the program will design and construct new factories that use the latest manufacturing techniques and processes. Overall, Saudi Arabia currently has more than 10,000 factories spread across 40 different industrial cities, accounting for 11% of the country's gross domestic product. Industry investment programs are becoming more successful in attracting high-profile Industry 4.0 manufacturers in key sectors such as electric vehicles. Lucid Motors, which completed building its new Saudi factory in the summer and began electric vehicle assembly last month, provides a prime example. This was a Middle East AI News Explainer, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.